Hi guys, this is Wasim and you are watching my YouTube channel English Education WLJ. Guys, we are going for spoken classes and I have a special students who are delivering topic or speech on particular topic. So today we have Simran Singh. She will deliver a speech on nepotism. So here's a round of applause for Ms. Simran Singh.
Intellectual teachers and all my dear friends, good evening to all of you. Today it's Ms. Simran. I am here to highlight some points on nepotism. Nepotism refers to favoritism towards our relatives in every walk of life. Nepotism is almost occur in every sector of life, like in job profile, in film sector, in sports, and in politics, everything. Let's take an example about we are hearing a very popular political party like Congress. Here is lots of nepotism occur. We also know that nepotism is a kind of corruption because in this we are providing extra benefit towards our relatives to earn a lots of money. Because we all know that in job sector, let's take an example that when our relatives when a single person get a good job in government job, then all the family members always praise them to provide them job, and in this due to love towards the relatives they do kind of corruption, that is nepotism, to provide them job. And due to nepotism many those type of students who are quite eligible for this job do not get that type of job. Through the nepotism, unemployment is increases day by day in our society, because we all know that India is a developing country, and in this we do not provide a proper job for those who are eligible for that job due to type of nepotism. And we also know that those person we all know that India is a democratic country, and in this elections are occurred when the ruling party in this if any relatives want a job, then they provide them job on the basis of nepotism. They do not need their relatives do not need any criteria for qualifying that job. They just get this job on the basis of nepotism. And we also know that in previous year 2020, we all know that a very common news become viral, that the death case of Sushant Singh Rajput. Before the death case of Sushant Singh Rajput, nepotism, this word is not familiar towards our society. But after the death, it become it spread rapidly, because we all know that Sushant Singh Rajput is very good actor, and in this case, Bollywood, lots of nepotism occur, that Khan family and Kapoor family, they just suppress them, and due to this they commit suicide and something, etc. So last but not least, I would like to suggest that we are the citizens of India, and we have to remove nepotism from India, because it is a kind of corruption, and due to nepotism our country is declining day by day. We are the youth, and we should join our hands and remove nepotism from the society, and we do not support it, because we are the one through which support the nepotism, and so we remove it from our society. Keeping all this exotic point in my mind, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you.
Guys, you are watching and listening the speech of Simran Singh. She was highlighting the points on nepotism. Guys, we know that this nepotism word is now very common. We see in the different walk of life, especially in politics. Many families are there where there is nepotism, as Gandhi family is there, Lalu family is there. So many families are there now. On the other hand, if you go in Bollywood movies, there is many families, Kapoor's family, Khan's family, Chopra's family, where there is a nepotism. And Sushant Singh Rajput, the emerging star of Bihar, was a versatile actor and person, you can tell, became the victim of nepotism also. So it is not good. It is a kind of corruption to promote one's kids and kins in sports, movies, or jobs, like this kind of thing. So we need to promote talent. Those who have skill, talent, they must be promoted. If we do so, then we can believe in all our development of nation. Then our future, or you can dream of APJ Abdul Kalam to develop nation, can come true. So guys, keep watching this channel, English Education WLJ. That's it. Thank you and have a nice day.